Hello, welcome back again to Engineering Semester channel. Today let's start the another interesting topics of the WebRTC tutorial series. If you are new to this channel or new to this WebRTC series, please go and watch our introduction part first. Today let us see the next WebRTC API called RTC Peer Connection. Let us get started. In the last video we already discussed what is Get User Media API. To recap what we discussed. Get User Media API helps to get the user's video-audio device confirmation. Now let us see what is RTC Peer Connection API. The RTC Peer Connection API represents a WebRTC connection between the local computer and a remote peer. It provides methods to connect to a remote peer, monitor the connection, and close the connection. This API is the core part of the WebRTC connection. This interface is responsible for managing the full life cycle of each peer-to-peer connection. In WebRTC, we can use RTC Peer Connection constructor, and it returns a newly created RTC Peer Connection object. This object represents a connection between the local device and a remote peer. If you want to create multiple connection you can possible in the WebRTC. But each peer connection is handled by RTC Peer Connection objects. Now let us see the definition of this API. This API takes a single RTC configuration object as its parameter. This object defines how the peer connection is set up and should contain information about the ICE servers to use. Here you can see we defined a RTC Peer Connection object with constructor, and the parameters are the configurations about the ICE servers. We have already explained why we use ICE servers in WebRTC. If you are new to this term, please go and watch the previous tutorials for better understanding. Next let us see what are the main responsibilities of the RTC Peer Connection. The responsibilities are: RTC Peer Connection keeps track of local streams and remote streams. It manages the ICE workflow for NAT traversal. RTC Peer Connection triggers automatic stream renegotiation. It sends automatic keep alive message between peers so that the connection will be alive. Last but not least, it provides APIs to generate the connection offer and answer. This is possible by some of the RTC Peer Connection functions. We already said that RTC Peer Connection is the core part of the WebRTC connection. Let us see a simple view of the RTC Peer Connection. Here, you can see two peer want to connect each other. The local video and audio streams are sent through Get User Media API. In this diagram, you see that RTC Peer Connection is handled all the local and remote streams. Also it handles the ICE agents by getting help from stun and turn server. This is a simple view. I hope you can get a basic understanding of RTC Peer Connection responsibilities. We already understand that RTC Peer Connection having lot of functions. Here you can see some of the functions and methods used by RTC Peer Connection. I don't want to go deep into these functions now. We can see these method usages in the upcoming videos. That's it for now. I hope you got a better idea about RTC Peer Connection API and its importance. Let us see more in the upcoming videos. If you are thinking this is informative, then like and share, subscribe. Also support us. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.